In this video, I will be explaining about moksha through yogic practices. Many people have a curiosity to know about this subject. What is moksha? Moksha is a term in Hinduism for various forms of emancipation, enlightenment, liberation, and release from the cycle of rebirth and death. It is a state of unity with God. What is enlightenment? Enlightenment is the personal discovery of your innate divinity. This discovery takes place when the veil of ignorance is removed, and removing that ignorance requires spiritual knowledge. How to attain moksha through yogic practices? Nadi is the channel through which prana, life force of the physical body, the subtle body, and the causal body are set to flow. Within this physical framework, the nadi is said to connect at special points of intensity, the chakras, spiritual parts. Physical body means sthul sharir, subtle body means suksham sharir, and causal body means karan sharir. I have already explained this in details, also available on YouTube. The three main nadi or channels run through the base of spine up to the mid of eyebrows are Ida on the left of spine, Pingala on the right of spine, and Sushumna in the middle of the spine. The 7 chakras are root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. Their Sanskrit names are Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, and Sahasrara. First, I will be explaining about the chakras, spiritual parts, and their prominence in our body. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is the name of a sleeping, dormant potential force in the human body, and it is situated at the root of the spinal column. In the masculine body, it is in the perineum. In the female body, its location is at the root of the uterus in the cervix. This center is known as Mooladhara chakra. The nadi play a role in yoga as many yogic practices are intended to open and unblock the nadi. The ultimate aim of some yogic practices is to direct prana, life force, into the Sushumna nadi, specifically enabling Kundalini to rise and thus bring about moksha or liberation. Let us study the location of chakras in the human body and about their significance. Root chakra in males is located at the perineum, that is, in the middle of the urinary and excretory tract, and in the feminine body at the root of uterus in the cervix. Sacral chakra is situated at the sacrum. Solar plexus chakra at the navel level. Heart chakra at the center of the chest. Throat chakra at the pit of the throat. Third eye chakra in the middle of the eyebrows. Crown chakra at the top of the head. These chakras has a very positive effect on our health and temperament. These chakras affects our endocrine glands, which are ductless glands, and releases hormones directly into the circulatory system. Any hormone out of sync disrupts all the other hormones and their functioning. The balancing of chakras is utmost essential. Also, these chakras are linked with 5 natural elements and with our sensual system. Root chakra has a positive effect on ductless glands, testes, and ovaries, linked with earth element and sense of smell as sensation. A person seeking good self-image and security through grounding are linked with the root chakra. It is referred to as money center. Also, it is linked with the beginning of entry into the world of pure intelligence. Sacral chakra has a positive effect on adrenal glands, linked with water element and sense of taste and sensation. It is linked with vitality and sexuality, referred to as family center. You have basic understanding of the cycle of creation and destruction, birth and death. Solar plexus chakra has a positive effect on pancreas glands, linked with fire element and sense of sight as sensation. It is referred to as food center. It is linked with approach like peaceful but colorful emotions. Sensitive to astral influences and some memories of astral travel. Heart chakra has a positive effect on thymus gland, linked with air element and sense of touch as sensation. It is the heart center. Compassion and intuitiveness are related to heart chakra. Sensitive to aches and pains of others. Throat chakra has a positive effect on thyroid gland, linked with ether or space as element and sense of hearing as sensation. Reason and logic are basically linked with the throat chakra. It is considered as education center, can hear astral sounds or music. Third eye chakra has a positive effect on pituitary gland, linked with mind and sense of extrasensory perception. It is the soul center. Brotherhood and creative thinking are linked with third eye chakra. Can hear the voice of higher self. Crown chakra has a positive effect on pineal gland, referred to as third eye gland. Cosmic body center, linked with soul and all senses. Oneness with all and cosmic understanding. Able to leave body in full consciousness, greater understanding of life. There are various techniques to balance these chakras. You can see our next video on this with techniques of balancing the chakras. You may subscribe to our channel for more videos on meditation and inner awakening. For online meditation, mail us or message us. Please visit www.rarameditations.com.